Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to help find duplicate files on your computer. So it's simply called Duplicate File Finder. So there's two versions of it. There is an installable version, which you install like a normal program, and a portable version where you just download the zip file, extract it, and run the executable. And there's also a free version and a pay-for version. So the pay-for version is $19, and the free version does the same thing as the pay-for version, except you just have to look at a nag screen when you start it, and you don't get any updates or support. All right, so once you download it, just simply run it. So as you can see here, here's your nag screen. Now you just have to click on continue, or you could click on buy now to buy it, or enter a key if you already bought it. So the interface is pretty basic, and compared to some of the other duplicate file finder apps we've tested out, this is pretty simple, so it doesn't do some of the more advanced things that the other apps will do. But for a free app, it's nice, and if you just need basic duplicate file finder capabilities, it should work just fine. All right, so we just need to load a couple folders here to compare. So you can click on Add here, or just drag and drop your folders. So let's say we're going to do the Documents folder, and then we'll do the entire E drive here. So we're going to compare files in both these locations, and the file mask is set to compare all files, which you could change, which we'll show you in a second here. So once you have your options set on the top here, if you want to search by name, size, or content, SHA-1, you could do that. So let's do it by name. Click on Start. Let's make this full screen so we can see a little better. So we could see our duplicates here with the directory, the name, and the size. Like so. And then all you need to do is go through and check the ones you want to, let's say, get rid of. And click on this button here to move checked files to recycle bin. Or you could come here and click on Check Duplicates, which will choose the duplicates for you. It might not pick the ones you want to have selected, so that's up to you to check that out. You could check all if you want, check none. And if you do click on Check Duplicates, you could also come here and do the inverse, so it'll select the other files in the other directory. And then if you have this tab here to show all the files, like so, in both locations. All right, so that's how you do it for file name. So if you come here and click on size and then start, you can see the files that were found that have duplicate sizes here. So right here at the top, these two have the same size because they're the same file, but this one actually has the same size too, even though it's a different file. And all these have the same size right here. Some of these are copies, which explains the same size. And these are the same size because they're the same file, but in two different directories. And of course, you could check the ones that you want to have deleted once you go through the list. All right, then there's the content SHA-1. So this could be used if you want to check the secure hash algorithm to compare the information contained within the files here to see if they're matching or not for the same kind of results. All right, so now let's say you want to edit the mask. So let's say on the E drive, we want star.docx. So it's only going to find matching Word documents. Let's put this back to name first, and then we'll click on Start. So now you can see it only found files with the .docx Word document. And you can see it's supposed to find just files with .docx, but it did find some ones with xls as well, and then some ini files. So let's actually change this as well to .docx. Click on Start. And now you can see it found only Word documents. So that might be something you want to do if you want to just search for a specific type of file, change the file mask for all of your locations. And of course, you could have more than two locations if you want to find duplicates on multiple drives or multiple folders. Right then at the top here, we have another option to add more folders, export your file list, export your duplicate list, and then you have some basic help. All right, so like I said, it's a pretty simple program, but if you're just looking for basic duplicates, it should do the job for you. So I'll put a link in the description where you can download Duplicate File Finder and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.